I'm Sulakshan Kulkarni, the head coach of Indian Physically Challenged Cricket Team 2019 World Series. Today we played our first league match against Bangladesh. After winning the toss, we scored 180 for 6 of 20 overs. Our hard-hitting batsman Sugane scored a magnificent 62 of 32 balls with 5 monstrous sixes, while defending 180, we bowled them out for 120, and our left-arm spinner Anish Rajan took 5 wickets with his magical spell and rightly deserved the Man of the Match award. Throughout the tournament, Anish Ranjan, with his traditional left-arm spin, almost got wicket in every crucial juncture. He was adjudged the best bowler of the tournament and also the best left-arm spinner ever, who got the maximum number of wickets in all the World Cup tournaments since 1975. So well done, Anish. By doing this, we moved to the second round.
First of all, thanks to God, I am really lucky to have my dream debut match for India in the World Cup match itself, and my 5-wicket haul makes it even more special. We had a good score, 180 on the board, and the bowlers and the fielders also did the job very well. I think just 3 days before the game, Sulu sir pointed out some corrections in my bowling, and I worked on that in the next days, and sir backed me up very well, and all the supporting staffs, they encouraged me, and also the teammates. I think that gives me real strength.
India's Anish Rajan for his
I would like to highlight our trainer for this game, who prepared this team very well, who put in lot of effort all throughout, from Badlapur to Shegaon and then in London before the tournament begins. Mr. Amok Pandit, a senior trainer who worked really hard with the team and put in lot of efforts.
I first came across these boys in Badlapur in Mumbai, where there were a few selection matches held, and that was my first experience with these boys, where I saw them in action, and I never had done any kind of physically challenged team before that. So just wanted to see how different it was with the normal group. And to my astonishment and to my surprise, there was not a big difference. The amount of agility, athleticism that these boys showed on the ground was phenomenal. And then our second stint was in Haryana, where I got to do the fitness test with the boys. It was basically a fitness camp with these boys. So I did some fitness tests with them. Then there was a training program for a few days, and that is where I really got to see the work ethics of these boys, where they were putting in the effort. They were listening to every word that came out of my mouth in terms of instructions of the exercises and the plans and what exactly they were expected to do. And later on, when we went to Shegaon for a tournament, basically the matches, the selection matches, the preparatory games, you can say, and there we had some nice time. We had matches, we had fitness, and boys stayed together, started gelling together, understanding each other, and I got to know the boys as well in much more depth. And then we went on to the UK. We basically landed, I think, 26th, 27th of July. That was way ahead of the tournament. Tournament started our first game was on 7th of August, if I'm not mistaken. And we had a good 10 days of preparation in England. That 10 days was for the boys to acclimatize. They acclimatized really well, and you can see from the end result. We won the World Cup without losing a single game in the World Cup, defeating the home team who had the home advantage, defeating the home team in their own backyard.
I think this is a result of the first game. Boys are quite happy, and I'm sure we'll take it forward. The momentum will take it forward.